We live in a fast-paced world where every minute counts and our schedules are often packed to the brim. A 10-minute full-body workout can be your secret weapon to a healthier you. These quick sessions are designed to maximize your effort in minimal time. Short bursts of exercise are surprisingly effective. They can elevate your heart rate and keep your body burning calories long after you've finished. They provide a quick and efficient way to boost your metabolism, build muscle, and enhance your overall strength. Plus, they significantly improve your cardiovascular health, making your heart stronger and more efficient. What are you waiting for? Let's get started and make every minute count. This 10-minute workout consists of 4 simple yet highly effective exercises: burpees, squats, push-ups, and planks. Each exercise targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously, maximizing your workout in minimal time. Remember to warm up for a minute or two before starting your workout. Light cardio, such as jumping jacks or high knees, can prepare your body for the exercises ahead. Now let's break down each exercise and unlock all its benefits. The burpee is a fantastic exercise that works your entire body in one explosive movement. Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Squat down and place your hands on the floor in front of you. Kick your feet back into a push-up position, do a push-up, then quickly return to the squat position. Explosively jump up from the squat, reaching your arms overhead. That's 1 rep. Aim for 10 reps, or as many as you can manage with good form. Section 4. Squats. Power up your lower body. Squats are the king of lower body exercises, targeting your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder-width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Keeping your back straight and core engaged, lower your hips as if you're sitting back in a chair. Make sure your knees track over your toes. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Aim for 12 to 15 reps. Remember, quality trumps quantity, so focus on maintaining proper form throughout the exercise. Section 5. Push-ups, upper body strength builder. Push-ups are one of the most effective exercises for enhancing upper body strength. Push-ups are a classic exercise for building upper body strength, targeting your chest, shoulders, and triceps. They also engage your core muscles, providing a full-body workout. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart, wrists directly beneath your shoulders. Ensure your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body down towards the floor, keeping your core engaged and your body in a straight line. Your elbows should bend at a 90-degree angle. Push back up to the starting position, fully extending your arms. Remember to breathe out as you push up. If you're new to push-ups, you can modify them by doing them against a wall or with your knees on the ground. These modifications reduce the intensity while still building strength. Aim for as many reps as you can manage with good form, even if it's just a few. Consistency is key, and over time, you'll see improvement in your strength and endurance. Section 6. Plank, core strength and stability. The plank is an isometric exercise that strengthens your core, which is essential for overall stability and injury prevention. Get into a push-up position, but instead of resting on your hands, lower down onto your forearms. Your body should form a straight line from head to toe. Engage your core and hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute. Focus on maintaining a neutral spine and avoid letting your hips sag or rise. Breathe deeply throughout the hold. If you're new to planks, start with shorter hold times and gradually increase the duration as you get stronger. Section 7. Your fitness journey starts today. This is the moment you've been waiting for, the beginning of a healthier, more active lifestyle. There you have it, your very own 10-minute full-body workout. It's designed to fit into even the busiest of schedules. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Stick with it, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Aim to complete this workout 3 to 4 times a week, making it a regular part of your routine. And don't be afraid to challenge yourself as you get stronger. Push your limits and see how far you can go. You can gradually increase the number of reps, sets, and intensity, or extend your workout duration as you progress. Track your progress and celebrate your milestones. The most important thing is to just start. Every journey begins with a single step. 10 minutes is all it takes to invest in a healthier, fitter you. It's a small commitment with big rewards. So, put on your workout clothes, blast your favorite tunes, and let's get moving. Make it fun and enjoyable. Your future self will thank you. Embrace the journey and enjoy the transformation.